So can you show your Lego creation? Zombie.
You don't toss the pumpkin, you toss the ring. So grab a hoop
So it's a Lego creation.
over the pumpkin.
Tinatapos ko lang yung pag-straight ng hair ko. Sino mo naman, kulot si bakla. So, kakain kami ng breakfast after. Pupunta dito yung kapatid ko. And it's my birthday! So, yeah. Gusto kong tapusin to kanina. Kaso, nawawala yung ibang parts. Hindi ko na alam nasaan yung ibang parts. Bahala na lang. Anyways. Ito ba yung outfit ko? On my birthday. And nabisan ko pa si Zoe for her outfit. And that's the view.
Basta mag-click na lang ito.
Matchy color.
How Zoe! How Zoe!
Hintayin na lang namin yung kapatid ko. Hindi ko alam kung aakyat ba sila dito or sa baba. Hindi ko napansin. Hindi ko napansin. Pero hinihintay na lang namin sila dumating. Siguro kasama, oh my gosh, sabi ko na nga, nahulog yung mga Lego mo. Kaya nawawala. Pero, yung aso, sasama yata nila. I don't know. Pero magbe-breakfast lang kami and then, babalik yata kami ng hotel. Hintayin namin si Alex matapos sa school.
Snow in Chicago. Look at Zoe. Snowing in Chicago.
Ano dyan? Ano ba yung nandiyan ako? Mga wipes?
Give it to me. Yay! Happy birthday to me! I have a backpack! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
Mommy, I don't know what that.
It's a pest. So you have to put the candy inside.
Oh, pest dispenser. Oh.
Wait, before it falls
Oh.
off.
Oh, don't open it.
You have to put it in.
She never did that before. You might have to do it for her.
No, she'll figure it out. Put it one by one.
Isa-isa po na yun.
My birthday breakfast. Dito kami sa Ritz Diner. Brunch place siya. Which is, meron ding lunch special. And this is their sarap.
So what are you gonna eat?
Here they are. Naalala ko dati, kami ni ate.
And then you have the granada.
Ang biruan namin, ampon lang ako. Ampon lang din siya. pero magkaboses kami. Pag kinausap mo kami sa telepono, parang kinakausap mo lang din siya.
Huh? I mean, if it's red. Where are you going now?
Papunta kami ng gondola. And takot ako sa heights. So hindi ko alam anong gagawin pag nandun na sa gondola. Good luck! Good luck to me! sumakay na kami ng gondola. I am afraid of heights. FYI lang. And yung section na to, yan, malalang pababa siya. Muntik na akong maihik. Anyways, yun sila yung mga oldies. And the youngers are here. Anyways, hindi ko alam saan kami papunta eh. Pero mamaya susunduin namin si Alex, yung anak ng kapatid ko, from school. And then, may pupuntahan na interactive something. Tapos, kakain na ng dinner, which is yung request ko na rolls.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Oh, yeah.
Yes, it is.
May tae.
Why would I stand on the tae?
Birthday.
My birthday! Macaroni and cheese.
Chicken and bologna. Chicken and bologna.
Okay. Ako ka na anak ka.
You have to put a flash so we know.
Hey, look at here, Zoe. Mommy, oh. Why side view?
Ah, bakit ako? Ikaw ang bisita.
Di naman to picture eh. Video siya eh.
Video.
Tatanggalin pa niya yung hood niya.
Yeah, hold mommy's hand. Like that. Oh, see? Look at here. Look here. Yun.
Ha! Ha! Ha!
Ayo, Bert?
Oh, my back.
Ito yung dating building daw kung saan yung TB tsaka yung mga patient for TB and leprosy is nandito. Look at the building, dude. Like, look at the detail. Holy moly. Okay, take 2. Di pala siya TB and leprosy. Smallpox.
But I know it's leprosy before.
I mean, it could be. So, yeah.
What's the oldest building in Chicago?
That's the famous Pepsi-Cola sign.
Yun yung sinasabi ng kapatid ko. Pepsi Cola. Zombie, stop doing that. Ganda. See? Oh, karang yung mukha ko. Ganda siya. Pero in the city, and yung mga geese na nang-aatake.
Look at the
Okay, 1, 2, 3. What the?
Yeah, mommy to. Look at mommy.
Kakaiba yung effort ng kapatid ko. Ito niyan. Sabi niya, just walk. Ano siya? Nahilo ba kayo? Ako din.
You know who's that? Your grand old ba? Isn't it?
Old pa. Your grand old pa.
Grandpa.
Bilog. Blog. Bilog.
I don't want it on the face though. Gusto ko dun sa may Pepsi Cola.
Okay. How you?
Kasi parang wala naman siyang
Baka makancel ako. Na-import. Why? Yung mga kasama ko, parang gusto maging Disney princess. Tatawagin daw nila yung ibon. So, nandito kami sa hotel ulit. Kasi, susunduin pa nila ate si Alex. And then, magkikita na lang kami later ulit. Kasi may pupuntahan pa kami. Yung parang interactive game, something na sinabi ng kapatid ko. Tapos, magbe-birthday dinner for me. Birthday ko. Of course. Anyways, yun. Sinintay lang namin yung time. Actually, kami dalawa rin sa nandito. Tapos yung mga oldies, wala dito. Kasi, naglalakad pa sila. Mabagal kasi maglakad yung isa. So, hintay lang namin yung time. Tapos, magkikita kami dun sa apartment ng kapatid ko. Nantok na ako. Pero, hintay pa rin namin yung kapatid ko. So, excited ba ako kumain? Excited lang ako kumain ng rolls.
Yeah. Look it.
Our hair is the same, but our hair is the same color.
Happy birthday
Oh.
to you. Happy birthday
Kaya pala.
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Mommy is your.
Said sister mommy.
Blow my candle.
Blow, make a wish. Yay!
Aw, your birthday is
Your
today.
birthday cake.
No, Daddy!
Happy birthday, Zoe!
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Sa subway lang kami papunta dun sa interactive na lalaruan namin.
In this universe, the planets are sinking. Can you raise the bridge? Whoops. If I was the lava, I'd feel beaten. Chicky checky checkpoint unlocked.
Okay, so galing kami dun sa immersive game. And papunta kami sa pupuntahan namin. Punta kami dun sa restaurant na kakainan namin ng dinner. And buhat-buhat ko si Zoe kasi masakit na daw yung paa niya.
I didn't know if there was pizza in New York.
There's a pizza in New York. It's also famous for pizza. Okay, we're almost there. We're just walking. And they're at the back.
Because it's Japanese.
What do you want?
Dito na kami sa...
Fried rice.
That's what I eat.
Bye-bye! Thank you! Dito na kami sa bahay.
Papa, Papa, Papa.
Did you enjoy your night, Zoe? Hmm?
Yeah.
Epan ka din eh. Matutulog na kami later. And bukas, it's another day. Say good night, Zoe.
Good night.